AI is rapidly reshaping the construction industry, making processes faster, safer, and more cost-effective. From smart planning to real-time risk detection, artificial intelligence is helping construction companies stay ahead in 2025. As per Business Research Company, the global AI in construction market is projected to exceed $7.1 billion by 2029, and this number is only going up. But what exactly is driving this change, and how can companies leverage AI effectively in the construction space? Let's dive into the top trends, real use cases, and the cost of adopting AI in construction. Many people ask, what are the key AI technological trends revolutionizing construction? Let's break them down. 1. AI for project planning and design. AI tools like generative design help architects and engineers create optimized building layouts based on budget, space, and safety constraints within minutes. 2. Autonomous construction machinery. From bulldozers to excavators, self-driving construction equipment reduces manual errors and speeds up groundwork operations. 3. AI-powered risk management. AI can analyze past project data to predict delays, cost overruns, and safety hazards, helping teams make smarter decisions early on. 4. Smart safety monitoring. Using computer vision and wearable devices, AI monitors worker activity in real time to detect unsafe behavior and prevent accidents on site. 5th construction site robotics. Robots, guided by AI, can perform tasks like bricklaying, welding, and painting with high accuracy and minimal supervision. 6th, predictive maintenance. AI helps detect wear and tear in machinery before failure, reducing downtime and avoiding expensive repairs. Implementing AI in construction requires the right tools, data, and strategy. At Apptunix, we offer custom AI solutions tailored to meet the needs of modern construction businesses, whether it's robotics, data analytics, or site monitoring. Now let's talk about a big question. What are the real-life use cases of AI in construction? Let's see. 1. Skanska predictive scheduling. Skanska uses AI tools to analyze historical project data and weather conditions to predict delays and reschedule tasks accordingly. 2. Vinci construction smart safety systems. Vinci implemented AI-powered video monitoring systems that detect when workers aren't wearing safety gear or enter restricted zones. 3. Built robotics autonomous equipment. This startup uses AI to turn construction machinery into self-operating systems that handle excavation without human input. 4. Mortensen optimizing design. Mortensen Construction uses AI in early design stages to evaluate cost estimates and feasibility across multiple design options. 5. Turner Construction energy efficiency. AI is helping Turner analyze building performance in real time, ensuring energy-efficient construction and sustainable outcomes. Now you might be wondering, what's the cost of using AI in construction? Here's a rough estimate. AI-based project design tools cost around $10,000 to $25,000. Safety monitoring systems with computer vision range from $20,000 to $40,000. Construction robotics can cost $50,000 or more per robot. Autonomous equipment systems can cost $70,000 depending on the machinery. Predictive maintenance software usually ranges from $15,000 to $30,000. If you're planning to make your construction projects smarter, safer, and more efficient, partner with Apptunix for reliable AI development services. Our experts are ready to help you modernize your construction operations. Book your free AI consultation today. Got questions? Click the link in the description below and let's talk.